This is Dabu7. Gotta give a shout out to those out there that sent info my way. I originally did this video. It did not have the video clip. I just had the information that was sent to me. I've now got the video clip, and I want to show that this is really going on. And you can watch the video clip. You can listen for yourself. You can see the subtitles. Anyone that knows Russian, you're going to be able to pick up on some of these words. And you're going to be able to connect it by looking at the screen and hearing them anyway. You're going to hear them say 3 rubles or whatever. You're going to hear them say these things. And you're going to know that they're talking about Washington and targeting Washington, D.C. So what we have here is a Russian choir openly singing about nuking Washington, D.C. and also seeing the lights of Norfolk. You can see here, with a dozen bombs under 100 megatons, they go on to target Washington. At the cost of 3 rubles, an adversary open the hatches as they cross the Atlantic on a submarine with an atomic motor. They keep mentioning 3 rubles several times. And then it gets pathetic with their wording down here at the end. As they start to say, sweetly nap in Norfolk, lights on the shore. I'm sure you can read the rest. But 500 years ago you were discovered in vain. And this is what they're saying. 3 rubles. They mentioned that, 3 times? Yeah, this is what they've done. And I'm not talking about just some everyday person. I'm talking about, their major choir. If America's major choir was caught singing drop bombs on Moscow for no reason, everyone would be the heck with you. You guys drop bombs and go everywhere and this and that. Now you want to, you see what I'm saying? They're calling for this openly in a choir. I'm going to leave a link here so you can watch and listen to this and read the subtitles at the bottom. Word for word, you can hear that they match everything that they're saying. For what it's worth, wanted to put it out there. Pisses me off. Look, I know that our country, the United States, our leadership, isn't perfect and they're out there doing other things, but when other countries, nuclear powers like Russia, have choirs openly singing and calling for decimating our country, that affects me and you. No matter how bad some of the politicians in Washington, D.C. are, and how some of them have sold us out, we are going to be the ones suffering in the end if this happens. And I wonder how many would actually be in D.C. if it did happen, here on this world stage.